couple in this morning, but yeah, some guys decide they want a haircut, they're going to get a haircut no matter what. Yesterday was fairly busy. Usually when they predict snow, people try to get in and get stuff done ahead of the snow. Grocery stores, barbershops, anything they can get done ahead of the snow they try to do, but I knew it was going to be slow today. And with the wind blowing, there's not much traffic up and downtown.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Yeah.
I'll help as much as I can. How about that?
See, look at that. See, God was answering my prayer.
You don't want to go do this?
No. And Jill's tree service did the other side, so.